Hey guys, I should be asleep right now. It's 10:56. Stop. I should be asleep right now. Actually, 10 to 1. Because I don't get tired of doing photo. So yeah. And if you're seeing this, then don't get caught being a robot. Thanks for subbing. I'm Robot. And I subscribe to you for some reason. I think yeah, sure. I'm gonna go. So if you subscribe, if I am done, get other people members to subscribe. And if you're in school, I'll see you in the school. Subscribe if you're not. I'm gonna do this. Okay, that's cool. So, bye guys, love you.